Okay, guys, today we are going to start our discussion with past tense and we will learn all four types of past. One is past simple, one is past continuous, one is past perfect, and one is past perfect continuous. So, we'll do some practice. You'll have to make some sentences using the past tense. Remember, past is very important. Whatever you have done throughout your life, that is past. Like you came here, that is past. I started the class a minute ago, even that is past tense. So, whenever you want to talk about past tense, simply you are going to use second form of the verb. Now, what is that second form of the verb in the past tense? If I say, I reached Royal Palm at 10 a.m., I reached, second form is reached. I reached Royal Palm at 10 a.m. You can say, I went to Islamabad yesterday. That is past tense. Okay. Now, I want you to look at your past and make 3 to 4 sentences about your yesterday. For example, yesterday I taught my students. Yesterday I reached here at 9:30. Yesterday I went back home at 6 p.m. Yesterday I had my dinner at 9 p.m. Something like that. Your turn, please.
Yesterday I watched movie.
Good.
Yesterday I went Gujranwala.
I went to Gujranwala.
Yesterday I went to Gujranwala. Yesterday I learned English.
Very good.
Yesterday I speak English.
I spoke English.
I spoke
Second
English.
form is spoke.
So yeah.
Okay, that's good. Next one.
Yesterday I drove car.
I drove.
I drove.
Drive, drove, driven.
I drove a car. Yesterday I eaten breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
Ate.
Or it's better to say I had breakfast.
I had breakfast.
Good,
Yesterday I used my cell phone.
good.
Yesterday I played football with my friends.
Okay, that's good. Next one, please.
Yesterday I had dinner at 7 o'clock.
Very good.
Yesterday I went to market.
I went to the market.
I went to the market. Yesterday I took to my children took a shower.
Okay, yesterday I gave shower to my children.
I gave
Shower
shower
to my children. Okay, that's good. Please you use the mic.
Yesterday I visited.
Yeah,
Yesterday I visited Giga Mall.
good. Giga Mall.
Giga Mall.
Mall.
Giga Mall. Yesterday I went to my brother-in-law house.
Yeah, I went to my brother-in-law's house.
Brother-in-law's house.
House.
Yesterday I ate pizza.
I ate pizza.
Pizza.
The correct pronunciation is pizza, not pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, D. Pizza.
Pizza.
Exactly. And
And yesterday I visited
I visited.
my daughter-in-law house.
Okay, that's right. Very good. Now, let's just go on. This time, we are going to use how to use ago with past simple tense. So, ago is very, very common with past simple tense. Ago means the number of years in the past. For example, 5 years ago, I established my own company. 5 years ago, I established my own company. 1 year ago, I started my classes in Royal Palm Golf and Country Club. 1 month ago, 6 months ago, 5 years ago, 2 hours ago, right? For example, I can say 15 minutes ago, I started this class. 15 minutes ago. So we use ago, right, with any period of time, 6 months ago, 1 year ago, but we will not say 2001 ago. That's wrong. You cannot say January ago. With ago, you must use period of time period. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 2 days, 7 days ago, 1 month ago, and all that, right? Now, I want you to give me some realistic sentences, the real ones, the things you did in the past. For example, if I say, 1 year ago, I purchased this device. 2 weeks ago, I bought this microphone. 3 weeks ago, I purchased this bottle. Or I purchased this bottle 3 weeks ago. Both ways it is right. Yes, please. Let's start from here.
6 years ago, I came from Saudi Arabia,
Very good. And
and 5 years ago, I started business
very good.
at the Riven Road,
Very good. On Riven Road.
on Riven Road. Uh, uh, 3 years.
3 years ago.
1 month ago, I left. I left to Karachi.
Okay, I left Karachi.
I left
Well
Karachi.
done. Next one, please.
1 hour ago, I took parent meeting.
I attended
I
parent-teacher meeting.
Parent teacher
Good.
meeting. And what 3 hour ago,
3 hours ago, plural.
3 hours ago, I practiced to learn English.
I practiced my lesson. I
My
practiced
lesson.
my presentation.
My presentation.
Very good.
And 3 years ago,
3 years ago,
3 years ago, I came to Pakistan.
I came to
from
Pakistan.
Saudi Arabia.
Very good. That's right. Next one, please.
Half an hour ago, I came here.
Very good.
2 days ago, I had pizza lunch.
3 days ago, I had
I had lunch. I had pizza in my lunch.
I had pizza for lunch.
I had pizza,
Pizza
for
for
lunch.
lunch, yeah.
3 years ago, I visited Dubai.
I visited.
I visited Dubai.
Good.
5 years ago.
5 years ago.
5 years ago, I went to the Pakistan.
Okay. Next one, please.
2 days ago, I teach English.
I learned English.
I learned
2 days ago, I learned English.
2 days ago, I learned English. 1 month ago, I came in Lahore.
I came to Lahore.
1 week ago, I visited Lahore Zoo.
Okay.
1 hour ago, I have breakfast.
I had.
Lunch. I had
1
lunch.
hour ago, I had my lunch.
I had my lunch.
Okay, that's good. All right, now let's go on. As we are practicing past tense, this time we are going to learn how to make some negative sentences. For example, I did not say anything wrong, or I did not do anything wrong. Did not. And by the way, we have the short form of did not. That is what we call didn't. Didn't, or you can even pronounce it as didn't. D-I-N-T, didn't. I didn't tell you. I didn't go there. And after did, we always use first form. You cannot say, I didn't went there. It should be, I didn't go there. I didn't tell a lie. I didn't waste your time. Something like that. I didn't visit Islamabad yesterday. I didn't say that. I didn't give you any homework. Means in the past, I didn't do that. Right? Now, please make some negative sentences with didn't. I didn't tell a lie. I didn't go there. I didn't speak English, like that.
I didn't learn English easily.
Yeah.
I didn't take water.
I didn't drink water.
I didn't drink water. I didn't watch movie.
I didn't watch a movie.
I didn't write essay.
I didn't write essay. Okay, that's good. Next one, please.
I didn't watch movie. I didn't play football.
Good.
I didn't prepare my homework. I didn't speak in French.
I didn't speak French.
I
I
didn't-
didn't speak French.
I didn't speak French. I didn't eat vegetable.
Okay, that's right. Next, please.
I didn't go outside at night.
Good.
I didn't sleep late night.
I didn't sleep late night.
Night.
Okay.
I didn't go to party.
I didn't go to the party. Right.
I didn't swim.
I didn't swim.
And
I didn't swim. Okay, next, please. Sir.
I didn't swim last 2 days.
Okay, I didn't swim for the last 2 days.
For the last 2
or
days.
during the last 2 days.
During last 2 days. I didn't cook last night.
I didn't cook anything last night.
Anything
That's
last
right.
night. I didn't write anything yesterday.
I didn't write anything yesterday. Okay, that's good. Now, we've got one sentence type, that is what we call